Hey everyone! Today we're learning the difference between each and every. Two small words that English learners often confuse. Each. A very easy explanation. We use each when we talk about individual items, one by one. Meaning, one by one. Examples. Each student has a book. Every student individually has a book. I speak to each child. One child, another child, another child. Each apple is red. Apple 1 is red. Apple 2 is red. Apple 3 is red. We use it with small numbers, when things are separate, or when focusing on individuals. Part 2, every. We use every when we talk about the whole group together, meaning all, 100% of the group. Examples. Every student is happy. We talk about the group, not individually. I go to school every day, all days as a group. Every room is clean, all rooms together. We use it with large groups, repeated actions, or general statements. Part 3, easy form difference. With each, you can use each plus noun, each of plus plural noun. Examples. Each student is here. Each of the students is here. With every, we can only use every plus singular noun. Examples. Every day, every cow, every reason, every person. You cannot say every of. Part 4, simple comparisons. Talking about people. Each person got a gift, one by one. Every person got a gift, all people together. Number 2, talking about time. I visited my grandma every week. Regular habits. I visited each week of the month. Week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. Talking about objects. Each cookie is different. Focusing on individual cookies. Every cookie is delicious. Mind the focus in this time. We focus on cookies as a group. Part 5, common mistakes. Each people, that's wrong. Correct, each person. Wrong, every students are here. Correct, every student is here. Wrong, each day I goes. Correct, each day I go. Wrong, every of them. Correct, each of them or every one of them. Part 6, mini quiz. Choose each or every. I drink coffee. Morning. Number 2, student must bring a pen. Number 3, she gave a hug to child. Number 4, I go to the gym Friday. Number 5, of the apples is fresh. Here are the answers. Write one sentence with each and one with every, and you'll make me very, very happy. Thanks for being with us. We are doing it for you and because of you. Please, every student should learn the difference between each and every.